Hello, welcome to my beauty blog. Okay, today I was digging sorting my stocks here, and I grabbed this stuff because I want to start using this. We're gonna start here. The Vitamin C Sunday Riley. This is a gel cream. And here for the lips, hydrating lips from Laneige. This is a Midnight Minis. This is perfect to use. And those are minis, so easy to put in your side table. I have this Brio Geo Scalp Revival. And look at that. Charcoal coconut oil. I like those. And the mini cube. This is like a wipes for your face. After you clean everything, you have to exfoliate with that one. And then here the rib eye. This is a mini for the brow. I have the Kopari for the deodorant. Underarm. I have this Kiehl's hand soap. This is a hand cream. Since our hands is drying during this cold season, winter season, this is my Lash Grande enhancing serum. This is the Kiehl's, the retinol that I used to like, and I keep buying those. And this one is Kopari. This is a body oil. I like the body oil, especially this winter season. Again, it's drying our body, our skin, body. Okay, and here's the Shiseido. This is our Urban Environment Vitaclear with vitamin C SPF. This is a sunscreen. And here's the mini Skin Effects Skin Barrier. I have this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich Smoothing Serum for the, what is that for? I gonna read it more. This is a niacinamide. I think it's for the lashes. Okay, I'm gonna make sure for that. And I have this mini Giorgio Armani Eye Tint Silk. This is a Wandon Shadow. I have this Sephora kit for manicure. I'm gonna add it to my manicure stuff. I have this Kusa. Sorry, cannot read it. This is a Glow LB Vitamin Infused Skin Enhancer. Okay, and I have this cream, face cream. This is fresh. I like this one. This is lightweight with hyaluronic acid. And I have this there. This is a lip